Hey everyone, my name is Tugas. In this video, I want to tell you makeup tutorial Smokey eyes look. And now, let's move to the tutorial. Alright, this is my bare face. So you guys must start with a clean state and make sure your face is fresh and moisturized before putting any product on it. At first, apply foundation all over the skin and blend it to the neck. I love this product. This is Maybelline and the shade is Cream Euphoric. After that, apply concealer below your eyes in the shape triangle. I use Pixie Whitening for Benefits Concealer Base. This is shade number 2, Sunbake. This technique ensures natural looking coverage. Next step, swipe a concealer. I use Mirabelle number 2 Sun Glow. I use it to my nose, along the forehead, near the hairline, like this. And hollow of cheekbones. Use an eyebrow pencil to make a line into your eyebrows. Then press it to look natural. Apply a primer eyeshadow to make the color more than stronger. I use this product. This is from Oriflame. Just tap with your finger. And then put the eyeshadow on the lids and just below to the last one. I use Naked Cherry from my eyeshadow. For the base, I use Enfugal color because this color is so natural. In the corner, I use amber color and I use it to in under the eye. In the corner, I use lumbre color and I use it to this. Okay, this is the look. I want to frame it with the eyeliner. While waiting the eyeliner dry, I want to use mascara and fake lashes. The eyes are done. on, and now I want to use this blush on. It is for MAC, and number 2. I'll apply the blush on the round part. The final part is using a lipstick. I use Giordano lipstick in the shade True Red. You can use this in the line of your lips. I use Maybelline Sensation Liquid Matte shade number 6. Okay, this is the makeup result. I love it because this makeup makes me look so different and look so gorgeous and mature.